Hey, what's happening, everyone? This video is to help show you how to move your apps around your home screen. So to do so, just press upon the screen for a second or two, and you get the apps to start shaking. Now, if you press on an app and hold, you should be able to move and drag. Right? Hold onto the app, move, and drag. Now, you could also create multiple pages, right? So if I go to the screen, I could create extra screens, which is useful. I could also stack apps on top of each other and create folders. So you could organize it however you like to get what you need. I preferably like to have only one or two screens, so these screens back here, they'll be deleted, and I don't have to worry about them. So again, how to move an app: press on the screen for about a second or two until they start shaking. You can move the apps by holding on to the icon and drag and move. If you want to create folders, just have two apps take the same space. Could you do folders on folders? Apparently not. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Until next time, take it easy. Take care.